Welcome to Dare to Dream. Here we talk about faith, purpose, and nation building. Hit like and subscribe to help us spread the message. Thank you. It's been 30 days and I started the 1,000 day commitment. And so today I'm going to share with you the top 3 videos, the most watched, the most popular. And if you stay until the end, I have 3 tips for new content creators. Let's start with the first video. Most people carry their own luggage into the new year. They drag the pain, the regret, the struggles from last year, but they leave the lessons behind. Here's the truth I realized today. You cannot build a new house on an old broken foundation. So for day 6, we are flipping the script. Leave the pain, but keep the data. Leave the regret, but keep the belief. The past is a school, not a jail. You don't live there anymore. I can relate to this kasi I remember then ako, alam mo yan, parang kakatapos na ng 2025, maraming goals na hindi na fulfill, maraming dreams na hindi nangyari. Parang sometimes nakaka-disappoint, diba, na okay, may bagong New Year na naman, magsiset naman ako ng bagong New Year's resolution, and there's this uncertainty na paano kaya? Mangyayari kaya yung 2026? O it's going to be a repeat of 2025? So, but the video talks about leaving the past behind, learning from them as much as we can. But at the end of the day, we are gifted with a new day. We're gifted with a new year. And what really matters now and moving forward is what we do with the present based on what we have learned from the past. So the past served its purpose because we learned, but it's in the present that we can continuously live our life and create our future. The second most popular video is this one. Medyo wala akong gana magsimba kanina pero pumunta pa din ako. Or what I realized that commitment is not the same as feeling good. And yung mahilig sa feeling good, mga bata lang yon. So for us adults, when we only do things because we feel good about it, even if we have committed to do it, then we become like a child. When I created this video, actually, I was talking about myself. Kasi tinamad ako magsimba, pero I realized, nag-commit ako nagsabi ako kay Lord, nag-commit ako kay Lord na magsimba. So, I went to church anyway. And on the way to church, it's when I created this video habang naglalakad. And so, I think marami nakarelate. Kasi nga, at one point, diba, dumarating talaga sa atin na we don't like, wala tayong parang gustong gawin. But at the end of the day, mayroon tayong kailangan gawin. Whether husband ka, or dad ka, or ikaw yung breadwinner, kailangan mong pumasok, kailangan mong gawin yung kailangan mong gawin, kasi nga, may mga taong umaasa sa'yo. So, and we cannot commit like child na parang based on emotions lang. We need to commit like adults wherein we meant what we say and we say what we meant. And this is my top one. This is the most watched video. And this video was taken in Tagaytay when we have our boot camp. I didn't realize na this is something that would resonate to a lot of people. So let me share this with you. Most people think of the Bible as a collection of old stories. But for the remaining days of my 1,000 day challenge, I'm going to share one verse every day that will challenge that perception and will prove that the Bible can be the source of ultimate wisdom in business, sales, relationship, and finances. So I had an awakening that among all the wisdom that's available out there in the world, there is one ultimate source. There is one source of wisdom. And to me, that's God. And most of the things that we know about God, that we can learn about God, is found in the Bible. And so therefore, I decided that I'm going to share something every day that relates to my faith. Could be a verse in the Bible or a story in the Bible, and relate it to real life, relate it to my business, relate it to relationship, and the way I handle my finances. It's like sharing the modern application of a book that was written, of teachings that was given 2,000 years ago by none other than Jesus Christ. And so those are my top three. And so now I'm going to now, if you are somebody who wants to develop new habit or create new habit, then I have a very important tip for you. Number one is that the first 7 days is crucial. Survive the 7 days and you have 90% chance of surviving the next 10 days. The second lesson that I want to share is for those out there who are content creators, you don't have to be perfect. Yung mga first few contents niyo, it's not really about the views, it's not about the likes, it's about you building the habit, getting into the group so that your audience have something to watch. It doesn't really matter muna yung kung perfect yung gawa mo, just make sure that you put it out there para mayroon silang babalikan, mayroon silang papanoorin. Number 3, you will fall, you will miss some days, you will be tired, you will be sick, you will be out of motivation, but get up, patuloy mo lang. Kahit pa may na-miss kang isang araw, the next day, just go. Keep moving forward because, again, what matters is not how many times you fall, but it's how many times you get back up, move forward, and go for it anyway. So with that, thank you very much. For more videos like this, make sure to hit like and subscribe, and don't forget, dare to dream.